Welcome home to 5505 Store. Almost 3,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, and a 10,000 square foot lot in one of Baltimore's most prime neighborhoods, Mount Washington. Luxury redefined. With features such as a breakfast bar, sleek pendant lighting, and a minimalist cabinet layout, you surely will be able to impress in this chef's kitchen. One of my favorite rooms in this truly magnificent estate, the living room. With a faux fireplace, sturdy hardwood flooring, and a year's supply of liquor included, you'll have plenty of time to Ciroc till you drop. Just when you thought you've seen it all, follow me upstairs. A world of luxury awaits you. Now this is the owner suite of all owner suites. Finely appointed with water and mold damage, custom window coverings, and an open concept shower, it is sure to impress even the most discriminating of buyers. At the top of every buyer's wish list is a comfortable and energy efficient home. Enjoy low utility bills and peace of mind with your Energy Star certified furnace, low flow shower heads, top of the line insulation, and LED lighting, where luxury meets efficiency. Now, if you aren't blown away by this one-of-a-kind home, the perfect property awaits you at OfferMarket. Go submit a bid immediately and get the hell out of here.